Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Throwback Thursday. Okay, so I know I said that I was going to talk about the birth of the Appalachian Mountains, but technically it's more like the teen years. The Acadian Orogeny was actually the third mountain building event that helped form the modern Appalachians. It lasted roughly 50 million years from the Middle Devonian until the very earliest Mississippian. The Acadian Orogeny happened along a strike-slip fault between paleocontinents Laurentia, right here, which consisted of most of North America, Greenland, and northern Britain, and Avalonia, which is all these little islands right here, which is the rest of North America and Britain, plus northern Europe. So these are blocks of continental crust that rifted off of Gondwana, right here, and migrated towards Laurentia. The evidence for the Acadian Orogeny is abundant and widespread in the northern Appalachians. As you can see here, there's our northeastern United States. So our evidence is recorded by the Plutonism and the migration of the northern Appalachian deformation front toward the Craton. So the Craton is the main part of the continent. We can get more into that later. In the central and southern Appalachians, evidence for the Acadian Orogeny is poor and primarily found in the Plutonism of the Blue Ridge Mountains and the metamorphism of the cat square terrain. Ooh, we get to use that new word we learned yesterday. The Acadian Orogeny experienced at least 3 major phases of deformation, and in places, unconformities are recognized. These phases are called tectophases and represent the sequence of collisions that occurred from the Avalonian terrains accreting to Laurentia. Here is a map showing those different terrains that were accreted onto our continent at that time. Today, portions of the ancient Avalonia landmass occur in scattered outcrop belts along the eastern margin of North America, and you can take field trips out to them. There are road cuts through some of them. I have not been that far east yet, but maybe one day I'll get out and see them, and it'll be stunning, I'm sure. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn more about the fissiopods. Yeah, fissiopods. Fossilize you later.